we have Skybox Metal Universe 21-22. Now in this pack, I'm feeling the Cole Caulfield autograph rookie card. Let's pray that we get that card. We want that card. We need that card. We're starting with Nico Hischier, Jonathan Toews, before he's with the Winnipeg Jets. Oof. Wow. White jerseys looking nice with the background. Nathan McKinnon, a rookie card. We have Tanner Jeannot rookie card. That's a good card to get. Beautiful card to get. So this is a sleeve one. Then we have Nathan McKinnon again. We got two Nathan McKinnon in this pack. Oh, my. Look at this beautiful card. Galaxy. Okay, there's another one. Galaxy. Anze Kopitar. What a card. And for the last card, we have a rookie card. Spencer Knight with that blue background. I love Metal Universe Skybox card. What a pack.